What's up, guys? I'm excited for this one because it's been long overdue. I got a NIO video for you guys and I'm excited about it. If you guys can, do me a favor and absolutely obliterate that like button, hit that subscribe button, make sure that you turn on notifications by ringing that bell. Also, down below, I do have my referral link to Webull. That's the trading platform that I'm going to be using to go over our technical analysis today. When you do join Webull, you do get 2 free stocks valued anywhere between $8 and $1,600. You get 1 free stock when your account is approved, and then the other when you deposit $100 on the platform. And personally, I like it because I get to draw charts like this, which is awesome. But overall, hopping in, let's talk about NIO. Oh, NIO. Like, if there's a stock that I love to trade that has just absolutely been like my Achilles heel, it has absolutely been NIO, because I love trading it. I've been positive most of the times I've been trading it with my options, but let me tell you, there's been today was the day that like I was just licking my chops because I was so happy that I decided to purchase a call yesterday right before it closed, because boy, we had a nice day. We ran with the market and it was utterly beautiful. We touched 36.16 as our low, so we did break through the 36.20 support, but the huge thing was after that we literally just ripped the whole entire day all the way up to a nice 38.90. And guess what that means? We're in between that channel that I've been talking about, of the $37 to that $40 channel, and NIO's got a lot of news coming out. I haven't really seen a lot of rumored articles about NIO and all that kind of stuff, so maybe we might start seeing it towards the end of this week, maybe tomorrow, maybe in the next week kind of thing. I know May 6th is a huge day where they're rumored to announce that their expansion into Europe and within the Norway, and then I think also within the city of Oslo. So that I know is a huge day for NIO. They also do have their earnings coming up, so it is definitely, hopefully we're going to be running a nice bull run into the earnings, and we'll continue that bull run all the way through the 6th kind of thing, because it's been long overdue, and boy, am I excited about it. So overall for the day, really positive day. We traded above this gold line, which is the VWAP, which stands for your volume weighted average price. So if you bought NIO today, you made money off of buying NIO today, versus if we were below it, you would have lost money if you bought NIO today kind of thing. So really positive day. I mean, a lot of our moves were pretty strong, but really today was the bulls came out in the market today. And I don't know, outside of maybe GameStop and a few other stocks, I don't know a lot of stocks that were red. There was a majority of them green versus being red. Like the past couple days, we were pretty much nothing but red, and there was maybe a sprinkle of green here and there kind of thing. So with NIO, it was an utterly beautiful day. Like, I cannot be happier about it. Now, the huge thing with NIO is, can we sustain this momentum going into tomorrow? Because the market likes to pull tricks on us, and we had 2 bear days. Is it going to give us a positive green day just to kind of go, gotcha kind of thing, and we're going to have a nice Uno reverse? Hopefully we don't, because I don't know if my feelings can handle an Uno reverse right now, because it's been rough, guys. And I'm sure it's been rough for you guys too. So drop a like on this video for NIO gang. Drop a like on it kind of thing. And the huge thing I want to take a look at with the past 5 days is we were really trading between essentially this high of 37.81 and then this channel of 35. We did dip down to $34 back here. And the huge thing is, we're actually making these points of having higher lower highs. Higher lows. Gosh, I can't. Come on, Webull, give me my trend line. The huge thing that I want to do is I want to draw a trend line here from our close and highlight this. So we're trading in an upwards channel. I'm hitting today, and I'm hitting back here on the 16th, which would have been Friday. Yeah, Friday. So really, we got to continue this bullish trend. And the huge thing is, today we were actually trading above every single moving indicator, the MA60, the moving indicator, the MA20, the MA120. So all above all three of them, which is a very bullish direction. Versus yesterday, we were pretty much trading below all of them for most of the day. So very bullish day in general. Our RSI is sitting here at 43, which is actually really, really good for the bullish day that we had. The fact that we are trading, that we have an RSI sitting here at 43 headed into tomorrow. Now, I know here in the after hours, we definitely did give up a little bit of our gain. We closed at the after hours at 38.70. We closed the day at 38.90. So this MACD does have a bearish crossover. So I personally want to take that with a grain of salt. We had a very strong day going into the close, and we just rallied the whole entire day. So I think we're going to personally have a very bullish day tomorrow. Looking at these three indicators, looking at the RSI, and we are overdue for this. Like, we are really overdue for it. And also, keep your eyes out. If there's any news on NIO tomorrow, that could greatly just flip the script on this. So if it's negative news, it could just send us tumbling. Or if it's positive news, it could send us mooning even more than what we did today, kind of thing. So news catalyst always trump technical analysis, no matter what. So keep that in mind, because take this technical analysis with a grain of salt. Do your own due diligence, because remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. This is purely just my opinion on me reading the charts and what I'm going to see tomorrow, kind of thing. So really taking a look at it here on the 5-day, we definitely have a very bullish direction. And then really the huge thing I want to highlight here on the 1 month was I drew out this channel, because we were pretty much trading within this channel and respecting it. And guess what? We had a breakout today. So we broke out to the upside, which is absolutely phenomenal. So now what we have to do is we have to continue this trend. We don't want to have a breakout and then dip back below this, because essentially what it would be called is a fake breakout. And we don't want to dip back below this, because that would be considered a very bearish signal for the stock. So what we do need to do tomorrow, because I'm taking a look here at the RSI, is we're sitting at 71.43. So on the 1 month, 1 hour, we are technically considered overbought from a macro perspective. So we definitely need to do some consolidation tomorrow to really cool off this RSI. Now, we could absolutely go up and we could have another green day, because I feel like the market just seems to be very tenuous right now. So who knows? But we definitely need to do some consolidation to cool off this RSI, and really to cool off this MACD here too. And taking a look at the MACD on the 1 month, 1 hour time frame, we are in a very bullish direction right now. We do have that. And the huge thing too is also we are trading above all of these moving averages, and they're hooking in an upwards direction. So what that tells me is we're in very bullish territory, and we're headed in a bullish direction. So hopefully tomorrow we can continue that trend. Personally, that's my opinion, and that's what I expect us. I called it a couple days ago, because NIO has nothing but positive news. I didn't understand why the stock was being just utterly beaten down, kind of thing. Like, it was being beaten down to a pulp. I'm sitting here going like, why? Like, there's no reason why. I couldn't find anything. And it makes sense, because people were shorting the stock. The broader market also had an effect. And then as soon as the broader market had a positive day, we just mooned, kind of thing. Now, hopefully we get some positive news coming out of Auto Shanghai tomorrow, and it helps propel us up over $40, because I would absolutely love that. But let's actually take a look really quickly here at the short interest within Ortex, because I want to cover that on NIO just to see if anything has increased. So if you guys aren't familiar, this is called Ortex. It's pretty much I can't even describe what Ortex is really, but Ortex is essentially Fintel, but works with prime market brokers. So it has very reliable information. So you can see here we have analysts. There's 11 analysts that rate NIO at a buy. The price target is at 63.66. So if you take in mind, we're currently trading at 38.90. And the price target they have assigned is 63.66. So we're almost half of that roughly, let's just say. So I just want to cover the short interest, take a quick look at the short interest within NIO. Wow. Okay, the short interest actually jumped today 1.79%. There was 1.45 million borrowed shares, and the 353K of them were returned, so there's an outstanding share balance of 1.09 million. And the current shares on loan is 61.25 million. So there is definitely a large outstanding short balance because they're currently using about 23% of the short interest pool or the free float. So that is definitely large. And I'm taking a look at the days to cover. The days to cover has actually increased also. So there is definitely some shorting going on with NIO. So that definitely would explain the past couple of days kind of thing. Now, today we definitely had buyer sentiment outweighing seller sentiment. So we definitely bought things up, and that's why we had such a bullish day. So hopefully tomorrow with NIO, we do have a positive move to the upside and that we continue this bullish run because it has been long overdue. And I am so happy that we are finally having these bullish days. I hope I see you guys in the next one. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.